Hello, professor. Hello, classmate. My name is Abdukhomidi. For discussion, I will talk about the role of information system in global business, business, and collaboration. To make more practical, I choose article from Harvard Business Review called Artificial Intelligence for the Real World by Davenport and Ronanke. I will connect the ideas from this article with Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 of our textbook Management Information System by London. Chapter 1 explains that information systems are not only technical tools, but they are also very important for business success. The book lists 6 main goals: better operation, creating new product and service, closer relationships with customers and suppliers, better decision making, gain advantage over competition, and survival. The article shows how companies use artificial intelligence to reach their goals. For example, Amazon uses AI recommendation system to suggest products for customers. This improves efficiency and make customers more loyal. This is exactly that the book calls Operation Excellence and Customer Intimacy. Example is Salesforce, which use AI in its system. This helps sales team predict what customers need and find the best leads. It shows how companies can turn that inform useful decision and gain competitive advantage. Support Chapter 1 point that information systems are necessary for survival in today's digital economy. Chapter 2 focusing on the business and globalization. It explains that information systems help not only with online shopping but also with processing inside the company, like supply chain management. The article adds to this by showing how AI can make this system smarter. For example, Microsoft uses AI with tools to improve forecasting, inventory, and teamwork. Collaboration is also an important chapter 2. Textbook mention tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Google Workspace that allow people to work together across the world. Articles show how AI make collaboration even stronger. For example, AI provide translation tool help international team talk in real time even if they speak different language. The idea is clear. Information system, especially with AI, changing how business work and compete. They connect global supply chain, create new business model, and support teamwork. Without them, companies will have a hard time surviving in today's global market. In conclusion, both the textbook and the article say the same thing. Information systems are not optional. They are foundation of global business, business and collaboration. Companies that use that system will continue to succeed, while those that ignore them may fall behind. Thank you so much for listening.